Every McDonald's French fry begins its journey here, in carefully managed potato fields. Each potato is lifted gently to preserve its structure. Precision harvesting protects the quality destined for McDonald's fries. Quality control begins before the potatoes ever leave the field. Harvested potatoes are gathered for immediate transport.
Only uniform potatoes move forward in the process. Every batch is tracked from field to fryer.
Loose soil is removed before transport.
The audio features a narrator speaking, saying, "Final approval ensures consistency."
Harvested potatoes are prepared for transport. Transport vehicles arrive to protect freshness.
Careful loading prevents damage.
Controlled temperatures preserve starch quality.
The journey from farm to factory begins.
Every potato is transported under controlled conditions to the McDonald's fry plant.
Large-scale supply requires coordinated logistics. Accurate weights maintain inventory and processing schedules. Strict access ensures quality and safety. Each crate is lifted with precision to avoid damage.
Traceability is key from field to fryer.
Pallets merge into the automated intake system.
Once unloaded, potatoes begin their transformation. Movement from truck to line is continuous and controlled. The first step inside the plant is careful cleaning and sorting.
Every facility is clearly marked for staff and deliveries.
Controlled entry ensures quality and safety compliance. The journey from farm to fry begins beyond these doors.
Hygiene is paramount before touching any food product.
The production hall is ready to receive raw potatoes.
Every team is briefed to maintain precise processing standards.
Potatoes are now inside the plant, awaiting careful inspection.
Movement is continuous to optimize efficiency. Integration from unloading dock to main floor is seamless. The production floor is a synchronized choreography of human and machine.
Now, potatoes begin their first transformative step inside the plant.
The first cleaning step removes soil and impurities for consistent McDonald's fries.
Brushes ensure every potato is perfectly clean before further processing.
Quality control begins here, removing imperfect potatoes. Only the best potatoes proceed toward McDonald's French fries.
Size grading ensures consistency in frying and texture.
Precision ensures each fry meets McDonald's exacting standards.
Potatoes are now ready for their core transformation process.
Flow adjustments maintain consistent processing speed.
Clean, peeled potatoes are ready for trimming.
Each potato moves seamlessly into the peeling stage. The peeling process removes skin while preserving the potato. Trimming guarantees consistent size and shape. Now, potatoes enter the heart of McDonald's French fry production. Clean, peeled, and perfectly sized, these potatoes are ready for transformation. Each potato is sliced precisely to create the perfect McDonald's French fry. Precision slicing ensures uniform texture and consistent cooking. Water bath prevents sticking and removes excess starch. Human oversight complements automated precision at every step.
Blanching begins the cooking process, ensuring even texture.
Controlled heat and moisture create the ideal pre-fry consistency. Excess water is removed to prepare fries for frying. Drying ensures fries fry evenly and achieve perfect crispiness.
Frying begins to create that signature golden texture.
Each batch is checked before entering the final cooking stage.
Precise temperature control is essential for McDonald's fry quality.
Each fry reaches the perfect color and crispiness.
Excess oil is removed to ensure McDonald's standards. Vibrating conveyors remove excess oil for the perfect fry.
Core processing transforms raw potatoes into golden McDonald's French fries, ready for automation.
Rapid freezing locks in texture and flavor, preparing fries for packaging.
Each fry maintains its perfect shape and crispiness during freezing.
Frozen fries are ready for quality inspection before packaging. Safety checks prevent foreign material from reaching McDonald's customers. Only fries that pass safety standards continue forward. Batch consistency is verified through precise weight checks. Ensuring correct oil content is essential for perfect McDonald's fries.
Cooling stabilizes fries before the next transformation stage.
Fries are now prepped for precise portioning. Automation ensures each McDonald's bag contains the perfect serving. Human oversight guarantees precision alongside machines.
a final freeze locks in golden color and perfect texture.
Now frozen and uniform, fries are ready for finishing touches.
Preparation ensures every fry is perfect for McDonald's standards.
The main transformation stage turns peeled potatoes into perfectly frozen McDonald's fries, ready for automation.
High-tech automation ensures every fry meets McDonald's exacting standards.
Robotic precision removes inconsistencies before packaging. High-speed scanners guarantee every fry looks perfect. Automation ensures consistent portioning for each serving. Staff oversee systems, ensuring machines run flawlessly. Precision weighing guarantees every bag contains the correct amount. Airflow ensures fries are ready for packaging without excess oil. Laser guidance guarantees perfect alignment for packaging. High-tech filling ensures each McDonald's bag is consistent and complete. A final safety check ensures McDonald's fries reach customers safely.
High-tech automation ensures McDonald's French fries maintain perfect quality, consistency, and safety.
Precision finishing begins with carefully controlled seasoning. Even seasoning ensures every fry meets McDonald's taste standards. Human oversight guarantees precise finishing alongside automation. Color scanning confirms each fry has the ideal golden hue. Every bag receives the exact number of fries for consistency.
Precision adjustments prevent deviations in serving sizes.
Bagging integrates precise portions with quality packaging. Labeling provides traceability and ensures each bag is ready for shipment.
Final inspection confirms each bag meets McDonald's finishing standards.
Human checks complement automation, ensuring perfection.
Fries are now fully finished and aligned for packaging. Precision and finishing lines guarantee every McDonald's French fry is perfect before storage.
Before shipment, every batch undergoes strict quality testing. Random sampling ensures consistent quality across all production.
Each sample is handled with controlled care.
Visual consistency defines the McDonald's fry standard.
Moisture balance is critical for consistent frying results.
Seasoning precision ensures the familiar McDonald's flavor.
Food safety testing protects millions of customers worldwide.
Every batch is digitally recorded and traceable.
Only approved batches move forward to distribution.
Any deviation triggers immediate corrective action.
With quality confirmed, fries are cleared for storage and dispatch. Approved fries now enter controlled cold storage. Temperature-controlled storage preserves quality until dispatch.
Logistics teams prepare pallets for outbound delivery.
Every pallet is verified before shipment.
Careful loading prevents damage during transport.
Documentation completes the dispatch process.
And this is how modern factories produce McDonald's French fries from start to finish.
Comment what's next.